tutekeleze agenda zetu.
Ona kuri na murimu wa COVID-19 na heho ya mweri ya nyoni, giciga kia uteti wa ithũĩro ria bũrũri kirathie na mbere kurirĩmbũka mwaki, rita rĩrĩ gĩkĩhurutirwo nĩ mĩahũ ĩrĩ wa Musalia Mudavadi na Moses Wetangula mwena ũmwe, magĩthimana icoka na wa Eugene Wamalwa na Wycliffe Oparanya. Wamalwa na Oparanya arĩa meriga gũtuo aria a rũrĩrĩ rwa Abaruhia mũcemanio-inĩ wa mwandĩki mũnene wa ngwatanĩro ya Kotu Francis Atwoli.
Tukasema these two leaders, by virtue of their positions and the closeness to the president, will be the right people to help us have serious dialogue and conversation with the national government in terms of economic empowerment of our people.
Marauga o matiranyotera uteti wa kĩbũrũri kana ona kunyita muthigi wa kĩũteti wa gĩtarũ kĩu, indi kĩrĩa manyoteire nĩ kũmatha tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere kuma kũrĩ thirikari nene makĩrĩrĩra gĩtarũ kĩu.
Na sisi we will not have the time kupigana na mtu yeyote, but we have all the time kupigania watu wetu so that we empower our people. That is our agenda.
Wale ambao wako huko nje tunawasihi waje. We are not discriminating anybody. We are saying we must move together as a united region, upon as a united Luhya.
Nĩ ũndũ ũnyũrũrĩtio nĩ mwahũ wa Mudavadi na Wetangula arĩa kwa ihinda iraya makoretwo makirirũkia bendera ya gĩtarũ kĩu ũteti-inĩ wa kĩbũrũri, ona gũtuĩka magayanaga na kĩama kĩa ODM.
Sisi hatutakubali watu wetu kudanganywa. Sasa wanatembea wanasema tunaleta maendeleo.
Wengine wamekuja wanasema wako na Western Youth Movement. Kuna wengine wazee wanasema wamekuja na movement ya wazee. Wanataka uking wa Western.
Kama wanataka kuleta maendeleo, wawache kuita watu na kuwadanganya kwa hall meetings, kuambia tunaleta maendeleo. Tuonyeshe hiyo maendeleo.
Nimesikia wengine wanasema hao ndio senior. Ati huyo Wamalwa is very inexperienced. But I agree I might be inexperienced, because I think this is my 5th year in government. Lakini wenzetu wanaongea have been in government from 1989, mimi nikiwa shuleni.
Na tondu gutiri wendete gutiga kihembe kia uki na gutiri yendete kwehera muharati tahunite kana kunyotoka, Mudavadi na Wetangula marauga marenda gĩtarũ kĩu gigakorwo thirikari-inĩ kana gĩthondeke thirikari gĩthurano-inĩ kia mwaka wa 2022.
The only way for us to make a difference is now to go for the top seat. And going for the top seat, we cannot walk alone.
Mheshimiwa Mudavadi ukiwa hapa pamoja na Mheshimiwa Wetangula, mimi naomba mwende mtafute Peter Kenneth, mwende mtafute Kalonzo Musyoka, mwende mtafute William Ruto, mwende mtafute Joho. Hao ndio vijana mkikiweka kwa uwanja mtafunga bao.
Sisi kama kina mama tumefunga skirt, tumefunga viatu, tuko safari ya kwenda State House.
Athathauri a maũndũ ma kĩũteti marauga mwahũ wa Oparanya na Wamalwa ũranyitwo mbaru nĩ thirikari, rĩrĩ gĩtama gĩa gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 2022 kĩrathiĩ na mbere kwarĩrwo. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.